I've never done a video before the close of the market. Probably will never do another one again. But today it's 3 o'clock. I'm doing a video before the close of the market. The market is acting a little too panicked right now. Yes, market was very inflated. I've been saying we've been a little too hot. We should flatten out. Just is what it is. I've been talking about a pullback. I invested money in a hedge against a pullback, and the pullback happened. So now we need to realize that the pullback has happened, and we should chill. We should chill. We should not panic. We should acknowledge that prices were a little too hot, but we're still in a good place to be. There's spots that you should be picking. There are winners and there are losers. The airlines, losers. Technology, winners. Zoom, video conferencing, work from home, winners at the expense of airlines. We have to look at the market through this lens. Are there going to be companies that are stronger than they were pre-coronavirus, in the post-coronavirus era? Yes. So why are those companies down? Why is Microsoft down? I don't know. Panic. Know how to see panic. And when you see panic, make sure you react to it. Know how to see an irrational exuberance and know how to react to it. So what's causing this panic? Why are people panicking so much? Well, a couple people came out and said things that had no effect on fundamentals. Now, these things may be truth and may become reality and may be based in fundamentals. So Fauci said we should calm down a little bit on the reopening. Hold on, if we reopen too quick, there's gonna be a second wave. Yeah, we don't want a second wave. Let's make sure we open up properly. Powell comes out and says today, Jerome Powell, head of the Fed, there's lots of economic damage. It's going to take a little bit to get back to that. But there's no revelation in terms of the economy or the world out of these two people who are important people talking. There's no piece of new data that wasn't known. It's sentiment. It's pure sentiment and it's momentum. And if we're investors, we don't really focus too much on the sentiment and the momentum. We focus on the companies we're buying and the partnerships we're entering into. So there are areas of the market and the economy that are going to be better because of this. One of which is technology, particular technology companies. Microsoft, that's a company that has not been affected at all by COVID-19. Their sales, not affected. Their products used more. Their Microsoft Teams, their work from home, getting everyone on the same page digitally product, that product was strengthened. Cloud hosting, big emerging product for them, strengthened as more businesses focus on having products online. But the stock is still down pre-COVID. But their numbers are good. The products are good. Their area of the economy is stronger. That's the kind of way we got to be thinking. We can't be focusing and making decisions based on market panics and pullbacks and rallies and no. Okay? We are long-term investors in this chat. Long-term investors in this chat. We focus on the future. We want to buy good companies at good prices. And if you ask me, I don't think prices are good right now. I think they are fair. You may have heard me say that a couple times. But they're a little bit better than they were on Friday. So that's just how you got to think of it. You got to think of what would be a good price for that partnership in that company and then decide if you want to buy. And then these fluctuations kind of decide where you want to be and is it a good time to enter into that partnership or not. So, market panic, I think the pullback could extend, but I'm not worried. We could drop 10% from here and I'll be like, all right, time to buy again. So, I'm just enjoying what I got, holding on to what I got, and that's kind of how you gotta be. You gotta like what you got enough to stomach some chop when it comes for 2 days, maybe 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, whatever it is. We just gotta deal with it. So until next time, peace.